We are proud to announce the release of the Mac version of our new EOS Webcam Utility Beta software. Now let's learn how we can turn your compatible Canon EOS camera into your main web camera using a USB cable. What's up everyone? I'm Renato, Senior Pro Market Specialist with Canon USA. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your compatible Canon EOS camera as a high-end USB webcam for your online video meetings with an Apple computer. Now, this video will be divided into 4 parts. In part 1, we will learn how to install the software. In part 2, we will learn how to set up the camera. In part 3, we will learn how to enable EOS Webcam Utility Beta software on your favorite online video meeting software. And in part 4, we will talk about potential compatibility issues you may run into and how to overcome them. Now, let's get started. First, you will need to download the new software. Head over to our service and support page to download EOS Webcam Utility Beta. The link to the page is provided in the description below. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and double-click on EOS Webcam Utility. After installation, you will need to restart your computer. Now let's get your camera ready. First, turn on your camera and place it in movie mode. Then adjust your exposure settings to your desired look. Once you've locked in your exposure, you can then connect the USB cable to the camera. Now the next step. Connect to the other end of your USB cable to one of your USB ports on your computer. If EOS Utility pops up on your desktop after connecting the cable, make sure you quit the software before proceeding. From here, open your favorite online meeting software and locate EOS Webcam Utility Beta in your video settings. Select EOS Webcam Utility Beta and you can now use your compatible Canon EOS camera as your dedicated webcam. As you can see, I'm currently using a traditional USB webcam as my video source. But once I switch over to EOS Webcam Utility Beta, I am now using my EOS RP as my new video streaming camera, offering a better looking image for my online video conferences. But if you made it this far and you still don't see an option for EOS webcam, let's head over to our final section, compatibility. Now this plugin is still in beta form, which means that not all video conferencing softwares will be compatible depending on which Mac OS system you are currently running on. In Mac OS Mojave and Catalina, EOS Webcam Utility Beta will not function with certain applications. As you can see on the screen, some desktop-based video conferencing softwares will now work with our software. In this beta release, use of the web-based platforms are necessary using Google's Chrome. At this time, Safari is not supported for any of the conferencing apps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up our new EOS Webcam Utility Beta. And don't forget to sign up to our YouTube channel as we will be uploading more how-to guides in the coming weeks. Take care, everyone.